Today guys, pag-usapan natin one of the budget phone na feel ko should be considered if you're having a budget at around 6,000 pesos. And I'm talking about the Realme C33. I-unbox natin itong phone na ito, din papakita ko sa inyo kung ano nga bang capabilities ang meron dito sa phone na ito. Tara, simulan natin. Hi guys, ako pala si Richmond, the Gadget Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel, C33 ni Realme. Very simple lang ang box niya, and I have here is a 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, and ang color na meron ko is a sandy gold. So, ito mga quick specs na, 5,000 mAh of battery, ultra slim siya no, at 8.3mm. Then of course, 50MP AI camera, and of course, meron siyang powerful na Unisoc T612 na processor inside. So this is not the typical box na hihilain mo lang ang cover. This one, slide out siya. Ibang unboxing experience dito. And hey, welcome to the Realme family. So don't expect na may jelly case to kasi alam naman natin, budget ang habol natin dito. Meron tayong information guide and quick start guide inside. Andito ang SIM ejector tool. Naka-plastic ang phone niya. So, buksan muna natin. Yan. This is the sandy gold color. Cute. Uy, not bad ah. Honestly, nung unang hugot ko nitong phone na ito from the plastic, I can say, uy, parang Realme 10 ang datingan nito. Not so far looking, medyo mas malaki lang camera module konti ni Realme 10, but pag sa malayo, baka pwede pagkama ng Realme 10 to. I'm just saying. Micro USB cable ang kasama niya. Then ang charger niya is just a 10 watts charger. I wish sana ginawa man lang nila 18 watts to. No? Now, one of the things na gusto ko dito sa kanya is, okay ang itsura niya. Kinda looks trendy and parang mukhang premium. Hindi siya mukhang something around 6,000 pesos. And by the way, guys, itong phone na ito is priced at around 6,499 sa Realme official store that I'll be posting the link on the description below. Quick phone tour tayo. Tari, meron siyang loudspeaker, micro USB port, microphone in, and of course, audio jack. On this side, volume rocker, and of course, power button / fingerprint scanner. And on the other side, it's your SIM tray. So, i-check lang natin. So, kita natin, triple card slot na meron natin. It supports 2 nano SIM and isa micro SD expansion. Sa likod, meron siya dual camera setup, starting with the 50MP na main camera sensor. One of the things sa pansin ko dito is, well, makapal lang kanyang baba. The bezels are not too thin either. So sabi nga ni Realme, this one has a Unisoc na Tiger T612 na processor. It's a 12nm chip. And well, basic multitasking dito sa phone na ito, definitely walang problema. So, tinry natin i-check siya sa Antutu benchmark. And nakakuha siya ng 209,000 points. Normally, ang mga phone at this price point, naglalaro sa 130, 140 points sa Antutu benchmark. But this one was able to score a near 210,000 points. So, I think this should be something. Ito rin ang score na kuha niya dito sa wildlife, meaning, well, kaya na siguro tumakbo ng mga basic games na magagaan. So, quickly checking Geekbench, ito ang score na nakuha niya. So, this phone is running Android 12 and ang UI na kasama ni si Realme na UI S Edition. Then, there's something good here. Ang RAM niya is 4+1. So, meaning may expandable RAM pa siya ng 1 gig. So, making it 5 gigs of RAM. Now, watching TikTok dito, Facebook, and using it on Instagram and Twitter, I can say okay naman siya. Hindi naman siya naglalag, probably except kung medyo mabagal lang yung internet, medyo magiging sluggish siya. Pero pag when it's loading, okay naman siya. Hindi naman siya yung mafe-feel mo na parang naiipit na feeling na hindi siya tumutuloy sa pag-scroll. Okay naman siya overall. Scrolling naman, hindi ko naman feel siya na parang nabibitin na ako, no? Even though that this is just a 60Hz of screen refresh rate. Okay naman siya. The phone na ito has a 6.5-inch na IPS LCD. Ang kanyang maximum na brightness is up to 400 nits. Now, tinry ko naman siya under the bright sunlight. There are times na nafe-feel ko na medyo halos lumalabo siya kasi 400 nits is medyo mahina siya. Well, of course, considering its price point, well, I couldn't really compare it sa mga, well, mid-ranger. Ito phone na ito has a glass front, plastic sides, and of course, plastic back case. Now, watching some of my favorite videos dito sa YouTube, okay naman siya. I was able to watch some of my favorite films dito, watch some shorts dito. It was okay, but of course, don't really compare it to some mid-rangers. But overall, this one can let you enjoy what you love to watch, mag-binge watch mga Korean novela. Kaya naman nito phone nito. Except though, medyo makapal nga lang kanya mga baba. Playing some games like the Call of Duty Mobile dito, I can say, well, low settings can get you through the game, but mafe-feel mo pa rin at some point, medyo mag-frame drop siya, mag-skip siya. Well, honestly, this is not really gaming phone after all. So itong phone na ito has a 5,000 mAh of battery, having to charge it at 10 watts. And well, charging from 10 to 100 takes me near 3 hours. Nagtapos ako in roughly 2 hours and 45 minutes just to complete the full charging cycle. Medyo matagal, no? So I was wishing sana Realme was able to pack in a 18 watts na charger man lang dito, considering its price point. I think 18 watts is much fair enough para sa charging speed na phone at this price point. Now, itong phone na ito, nirate natin ang kanyang screen on time dito using the PC Mark na battery stress test, 13 hours and a half. Well, not bad for a phone like this, and ginamit ko naman siya on a day-to-day basis. Kaya naman na magtagal for 2 days on normal usage. Of course, no heavy gaming, no binge watching, just normal usage can get you through 2 days or even more. Punta naman tayo sa camera division. And dito ako medyo na-intrigue sa kanya, no? At a 6,000 price point, having a 50MP na camera sensor together with a 0.3 na depth sensor, I was intrigued sa kanyang performance. So I took it out for some spin. And to my surprise, this phone was able to take in some nice shots outdoors. And tingnan mo naman, ilang mga shots na ito, no? It was able to capture the perfect picture na gusto ko. And given at its price point, this phone was able to give me some of these pictures na I could probably even get from a mid-ranger. And taking it indoors, equally nice din siya, no? Even na hindi ganun kaliwanag ang kanyang lighting, it was still able to perform. Now, to be able to get a selfie shot like this one, outdoors, 5MP, this is something. Itong phone na ito. And I can say na ang camera na ito, phone na ito, is really something that you should consider. Though, pagdating sa indoors, ang kanang selfie camera might underperform kasi makikita ko medyo mas dead ang kanang color when you're using it under low light condition. Tingnan nyo naman ito guys, ang kanyang selfie camera when you're using it for vlogging. So guys, this is the video resolution you'll be getting if you're using the front-facing camera of the Realme C33. And by far, I can say, well, 720p is not so bad after all. And of course, using it for Zoom meeting or just simply private video chat or just using it for vlogging, simple vlogging, I guess it's really good. And of course, the audio is right now recording using beautiful sound. Comment? Hit it down there. So guys, what can I say about itong Realme C33? It's a very budget-friendly phone, 6,499, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage. I can say na it was able to stand up to my expectation for a price point like this one. And given ang itsura niya is looking more of a premium phone, well, 6,499 ain't really so bad after all. If you are really tight on the budget, itong Realme C33 can give you some nice camera shots, give you a really great battery life, and ang kanyang design is not bad, really. So guys, kung nagustuhan ng phone na ito, if you plan to purchase, I'll be linking on the description box below. Just check it out. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click na yung bell icon para di naman miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. So ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?